Demystifying Deck Work in English. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, deck work. This might not be a phrase you hear every day, but understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English language proficiency. Let's get started. First, let's understand the individual words. Deck. This primarily refers to a flat platform, usually made of wood, which can be part of a building, ship, or even a vehicle. It's a surface people can stand or sit on. Work. This generally means tasks, duties, or activities that are required to be done. But when these two words come together, what do they mean? Let's explore. The phrase, deck work, typically means the tasks or duties related to a deck. This could be in reference to 1. Construction or maintenance. Building a deck, repairing it, cleaning, or any other related tasks. 2. Ship operations. Activities performed on the deck of a ship, like managing cargo or ensuring passenger safety. 3. Exercise routine. Sometimes in the fitness world, the term can also refer to workouts performed on a deck or exercises that use a deck of cards for randomization. It's always crucial to understand the context in which a phrase is used. Here are some examples. 1. We need to complete the deck work before winter. Here, the speaker might be referring to repairing or preparing the deck of a house before the cold season. 2. The sailors were busy with deck work as the ship approached the harbor. In this context, it's about the tasks sailors are doing on a ship's deck. 3. Today's gym class involves deck work. This could mean exercises related to a deck or the deck of cards workout routine. The English language is fascinating, isn't it? The term, deck work, is just one of the many phrases that have different meanings based on the context. We hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of deck work and its uses. Stay curious and keep learning.